So in some minutes, I'm going to be showing you how you can remove watermarks from this before to this after. Alright, so I'm going to be showing you step by step how this can be done using just a tool that can do that for you in seconds. Alright. So the first thing to do is to come to this website. You come to Google Chrome and search for watermarks. Search for watermarks.io, watermarks remover.io. Alright, you click enter.
If your first time comes to this channel, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Alright, click on it and click and turn on the bell notification. Alright, thanks for coming. God bless you, Julie.
Sorry, I think I entered it wrong. Okay, sorry, it's not watermarks, it's watermark remover.io. Alright, and you click enter. Alright, and it's going to bring us to this wonderful website. So the next thing to do is to click on upload image. Once you click on upload image, you're going to browse the image in which you want it to remove. Alright, already have one already that I downloaded. So all that is in there is just to click on upload image, browse. I click on download. Alright, and I click on the image. Alright, this is the image. This is the image here. Alright, I'll just click on it. And once I click on it, it's going to be uploaded. Alright, and it's going to be a processing. You can see automatically the watermarks will be removed itself. So this is exactly how you're going to remove the watermarks in seconds. So all you need to just to come to this website, upload the image, and the tool itself will do the work for you. So thanks for coming to this channel. God bless you.